Hello, this video is an overview of BPA Ukraine solution called SOLOIST Pro, developed via FileMaker DBMS. SOLOIST Pro is designed for arranging, planning, and maintaining concert activity of music bands. Here you can see the main window of the solution. A major work time is taken usually by events register. Let's open and observe any event. A concert, rehearsal, recording, standby, leaving and travel. According to chosen event type, a tab with all necessary information concerning the chosen event type is displayed. Modification Statistics tab is used to monitor who and when modified different event data blocks last and pre-last times. A concert is the most informationally laden event type. Let's observe blocks it consists of. All other event types keep the same data blocks but a little bit trimmed. Info tab contains general information about time and location of event, which tour it concerns to. Also, you can note information about event status and financial preliminary deal in this tab. By the way, if you change some data in fields, to save it you should click any free space between fields, yes, or just close the layout. Instruments. Instruments tab is equally important. It describes music band and staff structure engaged in current day. Manager casts event participants according to defined musical instruments. Also, a feature is enabled to pass all participation from one event to another fastly via buttons copy-paste musicians. Copy and paste. Additionally, a list of current participants can be received as PDF if needed. Here you can see the list of the participants. Repertoire. Repertoire tab respectively describes a repertoire which is planned to play on the current day. Composition list is sorted according to the composition order number in concert program, if order number is assigned. Let's assign the order number. Example, the first one and the second one. Here you can see how records were sorted. It's possible to receive concert program as PDF too. Venue. Venue tab contains information about concert hall selected for concert and its theme of it was preliminarily inserted into SOLOIST Pro. Venue tab contains information about concert hall selected for concert and its theme if it was preliminarily inserted into SOLOIST Pro. Rehearsal. Rehearsal tab contains information where and when rehearsals will be conducted. Accommodation. Accommodation tab is used for detailed arrangement of music band accommodation. Manager has instrument for allocation participants into room of different types, is able to choose common hotel for whole music bands. Here you can see it, as well as to allocate particular participants separately. Let's assign room numbers to participants. For example, this one. This. After this action, the system will count accommodation cost for a music band of current day. To arrange accommodation for a separate participant, it's necessary to click a flag Separate in the participants list. For example, pianist. The board appeared when you can insert all necessary information about hotel accommodation for a separate participant. Accommodation information can be transmitted from one event to another via buttons copy-paste accommodation. Travel tab contains all information about music band movement. It includes departure arrival time, common trip cost and additional expenses, flight descriptions. Movement information also can be transmitted from one event to another via buttons copy-paste travel. Local transfer. Local transfer tab is used to arrange local transfer of music band participants from one location to another, such as, for example, concert hall, rehearsal hall, hotel. This is also an opportunity to arrange local transfer for particular participants separately. For example, our wheel list will have a separate transfer. Timetable. Timetable is generated automatically during the entering data to information blocks of previous tabs. Here it's possible to check all information about current event in brief. I would like to attract a particular attention to possibility to check location of concert hall and hotels visually via Google Maps embedded into SOLOIST Pro. To create event quickly, it's proposed first of all to enter data about tours, employees, music compositions, concert halls, hotels, etc. into the system. It's important for every employee to choose musical instruments on which he/she plays and configure his/her status in music bands. It is also recommended to define a room type an employee prefers. Let's see the venue card. A photo of venue scheme can be stored in the venue card. This photo is transmitted to event. A comfortable feature is the markers of hotels which located in the same city as the selected venue are displayed on Google Maps. Calendar is a comfortable and useful feature for planning concert activity of a music band. It is generated automatically and allows in compact and explicit way to monitor all information about music band for nearest 5 months. All events are split by days, with indication of event type, event city and tours these events concerning to. It is possible to scroll calendar monthly by month or use a search field to find necessary months and year. To inform all music band participants in time and fully about events they take part in, there is an opportunity to configure an emailing. Configuration is flexible enough and allows to compose personal information block for everyone. SOLOIST Pro includes required events reports, which can be set as PDF. In this way, it's able to receive report for specific event with all necessary information. Similar report can be received for a range of events also. You need just to specify search parameters. Additionally, it's possible to receive a report only for event participants' accommodation grouped by events. So, this overview concerning a major functionality of SOLOIST Pro solution is over. Thank you for your attention.